You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Take off the engine cover. You must now remove the turbo air inlet conduit. To do this, first release the two clamping clips using a medium-sized flathead screwdriver. Disconnect the turbo air inlet conduit. In the centre of this conduit, there's also a connection to be undone. To do this, pull the white plastic securing lug upwards and disconnect the conduit in order to remove it. Unplug the electric connector on the airflow meter. Using a socket wrench, an extender and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 3 holding screws on the airflow meter connector then remove it. You must now remove the brake fluid reservoir. To do this, unscrew the 2 screws using a Torx 20 socket. Rotate the upper air inlet conduit clockwise to remove it and pull it towards you. Remove the 3 screws on the air filter flange with a Torx 25 screwdriver. Then take off the flange, inclining it upwards and pulling it towards you. To take off the air filter, take it out of the compartment. Slide it out on the right where there's more space. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the flange back in place. First, use the 4 retaining tabs. Then screw the 3 screws back in. Put the upper air conduit back in place. Screw the airflow meter connector back in. Reconnect the electric connector on the airflow meter. Put the turbo air supply conduit in place. Reclip the part that goes into the cylinder head cover. And tighten both of the clamping clips with a flathead screwdriver. Screw the brake fluid reservoir back in. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.